UAE's remarkable journey towards progress and prosperity, as well as their unwavering support and friendship with the people of Pakistan. Pakistan is immensely proud of unimaginable achievements which UAE has undertaken in the last few decades. First, under the most visionary leadership of President late Sheikh Zayed bin Sultan Al Nahyan, who was not only a great friend of Pakistan, but he deeply loved the people of Pakistan, and his generous contributions in the field of health, education, airports, infrastructure in Pakistan is known to all and sundry. We salute his wisdom and his sagacity. And today, Your Excellency, his great work is now being carried by his dynamic son, His Highness Sheikh Mohammed bin Zayed, President of UAE. His proactive approach towards transforming UAE, along with the ruler of Dubai, Sheikh Mohammed bin Rashid, and their mutual achievements has really made a great place in the Community of Nations for UAE. Your Excellency, today, while we celebrate this great occasion, I would like to reaffirm Pakistan's unwavering support for UAE's territorial integrity and sovereignty. And we deeply appreciate UAE's support to Pakistan. Recently, I was in Abu Dhabi. We are waiting anxiously for the visit of President of UAE very soon. And we are absolutely deeply engaged to promote investment, trade, and of course, in projects through G2G interventions. I have no words to thank my brother, President Mohammed bin Zayed, for his support to Pakistan at very critical junctures, and as recently as IMF's program. Without UAE's support, this program could not have been achieved. Your Excellency, I will not take much of your time this evening because this huge crowd, mashallah, here to celebrate this wonderful event. Let me say that UAE and Pakistan are two brotherly countries. We are very grateful for being host to a large number of Pakistanis in UAE, and I am very grateful that visa facility is being again opened and facilitated by your Excellencies, good officers, and President Mohammed bin Zayed's personal love for Pakistan. I assure you that together we will march and make this friendship touch highest level of friendship and brotherhood. With these words, once again, thank you. Pakistan, UAE Dosti Zindabad.
वज़ीर-ए-आज़म का मुत्तहिदा अरब अमारात के कौमी दिन पर तकरीब से खिताब। मुत्तहिदा अरब अमारात की हुकूमत और अवाम को कौमी दिन पर मुबारकबाद देता हूँ। मुत्तहिदा अरब अमारात ने तरक्की और खुशहाली की मिसाल कायम की है। वज़ीर-ए-आज़म ने कहा कि पाकिस्तान और UAE के दरमियान देरीना ताल्लुकात हैं।
and people of Pakistan. I extend my heartfelt congratulations to His Highness Sheikh Mohammed bin Zayed Al Nahyan, President of UAE, His Highness Sheikh Mohammed bin Rashid Al Maktoum, Vice President and Prime Minister, the leadership and the people of UAE. Since the unification of UAE has made remarkable progress and emerging as a global hub for trade, investment and tourism. This success is a testament to the visionary leadership of late Sheikh Zayed bin Sultan Al Nahyan, the founder of UAE, who laid the foundation of this prosperity and for the enduring relationship between our two nations. Ladies and gentlemen, Pakistan and UAE share a historic bond rooted in faith, trust and mutual respect. It is worth mentioning that Pakistan was the first country to establish diplomatic representation in the UAE by sending the ambassadors 6 months before the UAE was formed. We remain deeply grateful for the UAE's steadfast support during our difficult times. Over the years, our bilateral relations have flourished into trustworthy strategies, partnership in compensation, politics, economic and social dimensions. The UAE remains one of Pakistan's most significant economic partner and stands as one of the largest investors in Pakistan. Bilateral trade continues to grow steadily. Ladies and gentlemen, we are eager to enhance cooperation with the UAE in key sectors such as information technology, renewable energy, agriculture and tourism. Pakistan's economic recovery is gaining momentum and we offer an investment-friendly environment. I invite UAE businessmen to explore the opportunities in our economy, including the Pakistan Stock Exchange, renewable energy and other promising sectors. In this momentous occasion, we celebrate UAE's achievements and reform our dedication to strengthen the friendship between our two nations. Once again, congratulations to the leadership and people of UAE, a remarkable occasion. Long live Pakistan-UAE friendship. Thank you.
सदर मुमलिकत मुत्तहिदा अरब अमारात के कौमी दिन पर तकरीब से खिताब कर रहे थे और उनकी जानिब से हुकूमत और अवाम को कौमी दिन पर मुबारकबाद दी गई। वक्त है ब्रेक का,
हमारे साथ रहिए।